Kate.
And I'm Lyra.
And today we are really excited to show you how to make a gorgeous gift using Aquabeads. So what are we going to make today, Lyra?
We're going to make a photo frame to give to a grandparent like this.
Oh, that's so lovely. So not only do we get to make something together, but we're also ticking off a present for Nana for her birthday list.
Yeah.
Or Christmas or whatever. I think she's going to absolutely love this, and every time she'll look at it, she'll think of you, won't she?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need for today's project? We need the Elegant Charm set, the Deluxe Studio set, some glue, a lovely photograph, and some scissors. And then we've also got the spray bottle and the bead pen, of course. So if you don't already have the Deluxe Studio set or the Elegant Charm set, you can buy those from aquabeads.co.uk. Right then, let's get started. So do you want to explain what to do, Lyra?
Yes. So you get the template from the Elegant Charm set. You pick a flower that you like, and then you place it in the corner of your board.
The top, so make sure the flower that you've chosen is in the top left-hand corner of your bead tray. Perfect, okay, and then you can start making. So you just need to get your pen and get the beads, the right colour beads from the tray.
Yep.
And start building the design up. So you've chosen, I think Lyra's chosen this flower, which is going to go in the top left-hand corner. So that's going to look lovely.
Yeah.
So we've got a selection this time of jewel beads and solid beads. So the jewel beads are these lovely glistening ones here. They kind of look a bit like gems or jewels. And so they sparkle much more than the solid ones. And then the frame is made using the solid beads like these. So you've made your flower design. It looks so pretty. Well done. The only extra thing we did is we popped a yellow bead right in the centre so that it's solid rather than just having a gap in the middle. So now if you follow the template that you can download to build up the rest of the frame, we used yellow and green beads to make it look a bit naturey, and then we'll build the frame up. So once you've finished and built up the frame, you can choose another flower design. So do you want that one?
Yes, I like that one.
And then we're going to very carefully, so maybe get a grown-up to do this bit because you don't want to ruin all of your hard work, and pop the template back underneath with the new design for the flower that you've chosen in the bottom right-hand corner. And then you can build up that design. Oh, well done, Lyra. That looks brilliant. You've done a great job of making the frame with the Aquabeads. So what is next to do?
Next, we need to spray it with water.
Okay, and what does that do?
It kind of holds all of the beads together.
That's right.
So it doesn't fall apart.
And as you spray it on, you can see them all glisten and start to kind of stick together. And then what do you do?
Then you wait for 5 seconds.
1,
2, 3,
4, 5.
And then you tip this up vertically, just so that all of the extra water comes off.
There we go.
And then leave it to dry for an hour.
Brilliant. Is it best to leave it to dry with it a little bit propped upright?
Yes.
I think it is, isn't it? And then it means it's not going to be sat in any water. All that water can drip down and it can dry. So we'll leave it for 1 hour and then we'll come back.
Yes.
Okay, so after an hour's gone past, you can carefully peel your design off the board, and then to make it super strong, you can turn it over, can't you?
Yeah.
And then
spray it on the back.
Exactly. And then that'll make it super strong. Leave it for another hour to completely dry. You don't need to do that, but it just makes it last longer, I think.
Yeah.
So next job is to turn this frame into a photo frame. So I'll get you the photo. I've got one of you and your sister being funny. So what do you do next to turn it into a photo frame?
So what you need to do is get your frame, you place it on your photo, framing the bit you want to be framed, and then you draw around the frame and then cut around it.
Or get a grown-up to cut around it if you prefer or if they prefer. Right, so the photo is cut so that it's fits inside the frame now. What's the last step that you need to do?
You need to glue the photo onto the frame.
Do you want to do that bit?
Okay. We've just put some glue all around the edge of the photo. And now we'll place this on.
That's so cute. I love it. So then we just need to wait for the glue to dry, and that will be a cute little photo frame. I think if you like, you could attach some string to hang it up, or even a magnet on the back for it to go on the fridge, couldn't you? Such a lovely gift. I think that your Nana is going to love that one, Lyra.
So do I.
It was really fun to make, wasn't it?
Really fun.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed making this project with us as well, and whoever you give it to loves it as much as I think Lyra's Nana's going to. To purchase any of the products that we've used, you can go to aquabeads.co.uk, and we would love to see anything that you make, so you can always ask a grown-up to pop a picture of it online and tag us so that we can share it with you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.